Hey, welcome back, family. I'm glad you're here. Today's course is all about building your credit. Now, it's gonna be a multi-part series, so stay tuned to learn all you need to know about building your credit. If this is your very first time, click subscribe if you get value out of this video. Category 1, payment history. It accounts for 35% of your credit score, so make sure you pay your bills on time. They can only be reported late once they hit 30 days late, but don't let it get there. Category number 2, amounts owed. This is very important. It adds up to 30% of your credit score. They're looking at how much they loaned you and how much you spent out of what they loaned you. So if they gave you $100 and you spent 90, that's 90% credit utilization of that particular loan. So it's very important that you stay below 30%. That way, your credit score won't be affected negatively. I recommend 15%. Category number 3, length of credit history. Look, they want to see how long you've been in the game. So if you're new to using your credit, then you have short credit history. It accounts for 15% of your credit score. So one way, one cheat code to get it up, I'll tell you in another video. Or number 4, credit mix. They're looking at how you're using your credit and what different types of credit loans are you getting. You have installment loans, revolving loans, and all different types of loans. So it's very important that you have a good credit mix. That accounts for 10% of your credit score. Number 5, new credit. Look, they're looking at how often you're applying for credit. Those increases add up and they count against your credit score. So it's very important that you only apply for credit when you need it. Look, new credit accounts for 10% of your credit score. That is very important to know. On the next video, I'm gonna be breaking down how these 5 categories affect your credit score directly. I'm even gonna share my credit score with you. So if you wanna see the next video, hit subscribe and the notification bell, and guess what? YouTube will let you know when that video is released.